And I thought I told you, girl, I'm just a thug nigga. Baby, I can't make no promises, no promises. Baby, I can't make no promises, no promises.
Man, hope y'all having a good morning today. Hope y'all having a good day today. Welcome to America, man. It's my little collar. Let me stop playing.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Anyway, I hope y'all having a good day today. I took a little nap. I'm just getting up. I said, you know what? I'm gonna make this monkey video, and I kind of figured out how to make it. So it's gonna be kind of sketchy, but you know, I'm finna do it. So yeah, man. But anyway, man, I hope y'all having a good day today, man. We got 30K. Shout out to y'all. The goal is 50K now. I'm finna start dropping merchandise and stuff, so y'all stay tuned to that too. But if anything, you know what I'm saying, we finna get this on rocking. You know, y'all check out the last 2 videos I posted. Yeah, let's get them views up, man. But shit, man, we finna get to this video, so y'all stay tuned. We finna get to these monkey videos, man. Hello?
Oh my god, you are so cute. Oh my god, at time.
Hey, what's your name?
Oh my god. Hold on, just give me 1 second.
Hey, real quick. Hey, real quick. On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
You broke my scale. Oh, you are so cute.
Thank you. Hey, what's your name? You cute too. What's your name?
Maya.
Maya? Why you not show your whole face?
Because I'm too ugly and you're so adorable and oh my god. Oh my god.
Well, look, I'm putting you on my YouTube channel, so you know what I'm saying.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna add you as a friend, and then I'm gonna let you know my YouTube channel so you can watch it.
Okay.
All right. Hello?
Hey.
What's up? What you doing?
Chilling, lying down.
Laying on? Why you laying on? You tired?
Yeah, kinda.
How your day going? It's going straight?
Yeah.
At time? Damn, she at time. Red hair, oh wait, yeah. Greasy lips, what I see? Hey, on a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
You said what?
On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
Who would I what?
What would you rate me on a scale from 1 to 10?
Who would I rate? You could get a 8.
8. Damn! Damn! I thought I'd get a little something hot. You got them greasy ass lips on the camera and shit.
Okay, you could get a 9.
Alright. Why your lips so greasy though? What the hell? What you was eating?
No, I was Vaseline on my lips.
Alright. I was just wondering. I didn't know what was going on. But alright, man. With no requesting, no extension, and not so what for the niggas. Hello?
Hello? Hello?
What's up?
Hey.
Who that is laughing?
Brother.
Oh, that's your brother? Hey, Anton.
Anton. Yeah, what you say?
Hey, on a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
10.
Ooh! You scared me. You took kind of long. Shout out to you. You already know. Got the braids in. Can't tell you nothing. Janet Jackson looking there. I see you. Hey, you having a good day?
What?
You having a good day?
Yeah.
That's
Are you
what's
having
up.
a good day?
It's straight. I just woke up. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
I was
damn.
knocked out.
For sure, sleeping good and shit.
You already know. Trying to, look good like you know what I'm saying. Hey,
Yeah.
where you from?
Dallas.
Dallas? Oh, can't tell you nothing, boy. You in the big city. Hey,
Where you from?
I'm from Louisiana, but I stay in Mississippi for school and stuff. So,
Oh shit, yeah.
man, keep. Hey, I hope you have a good day today.
Alright, you too.
All right. Whoa. Nope. Y'all ever seen that commercial? Nope. Hello? Hello! Why you screaming? Huh? Damn, I don't know what the hell you doing. You brushing the hell out your hair. She was brushing the hell out her hair. Hell nah. Brushing all the edges, all the little strings out there to her, boy. She ain't gonna have no more hair left. Hell nah. Oh my God, we got little babies on the camera. We got little babies. What you eating? We got little babies on the camera. Somebody get their little child. Hell no, get your child. What's up with these little kids, man? Hello? Huh? I can't even see your face. Oh my God. Hello? Oh my God. Nah, bro. I see you. Come on, man. Nah. 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 Uh-oh. 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 That's how boss music be. Uh-oh. 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 How you gonna tell me to add time you ain't showing your face? Where your face at? Huh?
Show me the dick.
Show you the what?
Show me the dick.
Boy, you wild like a mug. Hey, where your face at?
You show me the dick first.
Oh my God. You wild. I don't even know how old you are.
You have to get the card on this part. I'm 17.
But you ain't showing no face. I don't know that.
Let me see your D and don't show you my face.
Oh my God. You know what? I'ma holler at you later. Oh my God. Rihanna, uh-oh. Rihanna. What? Damn. You got a serious damn right. Hey. Oh! Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I got Kayla from Philadelphia. I wonder if she gonna answer. Oh, nope. They be skipping on here, boy. They like skipping on here. And then I always see all these damn dudes. I'm tired of seeing these damn dudes on here, man. So, you making me mad. You making me mad. I don't wanna talk to no goddamn dudes. Hello? Hey, what's your name? Hey, Atom. Hey, on a... Then she got that water all in her head.
What happened?
Hey, on a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
Let me see him. Oh, don't you? He said, what would you rate him? You got a nice smile.
Who's she drinking that water too?
I know.
Huh?
I ain't talking to you.
Hey, what would you rate me? I'm making a YouTube video.
You broke my scale.
Huh?
Broke my scale.
Pretty ass. What you being shy for?
Why be shy for?
Hey, just
Why be shy for?
just give me a number.
Just give up your number, he said.
No.
Write that shit down. 978-328-6832. Okay.
You for wait. I didn't even get a chance to get it. Hold up. Rate me first. Give me a rate. 1 through 10.
0, bitch.
You said a 0? Damn! It didn't even record, so. Lulu. Ooh, she got them glossy lips. Dude, check her out. Hey, what's your name?
I think I saw you on YouTube.
Oh man. Hey, Anton. Hey, on a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
A 9.
Ooh, I thought you were finna say a 5. I was finna say, oh my god.
A 9.
A 9, that's what's up. Where you from?
New York.
New York? What part?
Bronx.
Bronx? You like it out there?
Everybody's killing each other.
You got some pretty skin. a little chocolate glazed donut. A little chocolate glazed donut. Cute.
Where you from?
I'm from Louisiana.
Oh.
But shit, I'm about to put you in my video, so yeah, I'm gonna add you as a friend, and then you can probably watch it.
Okay.
All right. God dang it! Get the proof, Jeffrey! What? Fort Lauderdale. I hate when monkey take long. Oh my god. Ooh, let me get you. Hello? Yeah. Oh shit. Hey, what's your name? Hey, Anton. Oh my god. Hey, me on snap. Move. Hello?
Hey.
What's up? What you doing?
What's up?
Hey,
What are you doing?
Anton. Hey, I'm making a YouTube video, so I need you to do one thing for me. Can you rate me on a scale from 1 to 10?
I'll give you an 8.
An 8? Ooh. I was expecting something, you know what I'm saying? I thought you were gonna give me a 5 or some shit. You cute though. Where you from? Where you from, La Mama? Huh?
What?
Where you from? Pennsylvania? I've been there. I think I've been there once. What part are you from?
Pennsylvania.
Yeah, I heard you. Hey, what you doing? You in your house? She's smiling hard.
Yeah.
But she's smiling all hard in the camera with your cute ass.
Greensburg.
Greensboro. I've been to what that little water park? I mean that new park, Hershey's Park. Oh shit. up. That's all I needed. That's all I needed. For her to give me an 8. We do like 3 more. Hello?
What's up?
What's up?
That's Tom.
Where your face at?
My face right here.
I can't see it.
Hold up.
Ah, my neck. Ah. She keep on turning the dang camera, man. Shut. I'm trying to see how she look. Oh my god. Am I the only one whenever you're not trying to add time? You be like, huh? You be trying to act like you don't hear what they say.
That's why you completely like.
Hello?
Walking in front of us.
Why you had your mouth like that? Hey, on a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
8.
8? Damn, I've been getting a lot of 8s. What's going on? Shit. Been getting a lot of 8s, boy. Alright, hey, I'm making a YouTube channel. I mean a video, so check it out, you know what I'm saying? Alright, bye. Oh, that one, I don't care. Hello?
Hello.
What's up? Hey,
Nothing.
on a scale, hey, add time. On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
10.
10?
BMS, bro.
Hey, where y'all from?
Rhode Island.
Rhode Island? I've never been there. It's nice out there?
Yeah.
It's straight. What y'all doing? Y'all outside? What y'all doing?
We're Southside.
Oh, y'all chilling?
Yeah.
It's too hot to be outside. I ain't trying to be outside. Heck no. You see where I'm at? I'm in my bed. Heck no. I can't be outside.
I know, he's so hot. Add me on Snap.
Alright. Hey, I'm putting y'all on YouTube, so y'all say what's up to YouTube. Say what's up.
Jesus.
Say what's up.
Hi, YouTube.
Alright.
Wait, add us on Snapchat.
Let me get a few more. All I see is fireworks. Oh my god, I'm getting skipped like a mug. Hello? What's up? God damn it. Hello? Oh, hey. What's up? Hey, on a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate me?
10.
Y'all some pretty girls. Where y'all from? Where y'all from?
From a scale from 1 to what?
On a scale from 1 to 10.
Where you from?
I'm from Louisiana. I'm from Louisiana.
Where you from?
Louisiana.
You're from Louisiana.
Yeah. Well, your eyebrows on fleek, boy. Who did your
You're
eyebrows?
fine. You got a pretty smile.
Thank you. Who did your eyebrows? Your shit nice as hell.
What you said? I saw it. I saw you already. I saw you in the YouTube video. Wait, what you said?
I said your eyebrows on fleek. Who did your shit?
What you said?
Your eyebrows, they're nice. Who
Yeah,
did
I know
it?
that.
What y'all doing? Y'all in your room chilling?
I saw you as a YouTuber. Huh?
I know. Hey.
You a YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm making a monkey video. So y'all say shout out to YouTube. Say what's up to YouTube.
What you said?
I said,
Talk louder. We can't hear you.
I said say what's up to YouTube. I'm making a video. I swear to God.
You did came out on YouTube video. Focus on the you did. I saw you. I did. Give me a shout out.
Hey, just say what's up. Say your name.
Dana.
Dana. Hey, what you doing to her hair?
A braid.
You gonna braid my hair for me?
No, damn, you can't braid. Huh?
You gonna braid my hair for me?
Yeah, I'll braid you. Let me see your hair.
You see it, huh?
Let me see it.
My shit.
Give me a better view of your face. Let me see your body.
Let me see. Y'all wanna see my body? Hold on.
Let me see your body.
That's all you gonna see.
Let me see your dick.
Hey, I'm hit y'all up.
Let me see your butt. I know you got a bad butt.
That's wet as hell. Alright, man, y'all have a good day. What? Ooh. Look just bit. Alright, man. I did some of the monkey videos. I ain't do too many, but I'll probably make another part 2 to this. I just want to hurry and post this, you know what I'm saying, because I said I was going to make one. I got to see how it's going to come out. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Y'all subscribe to the channel. Leave a like at the like button. You know what I'm saying? We're going to keep on getting these videos uploaded every day, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all. And yeah, man, I hope y'all having a good day today, man. Peace.
Bitches twerking, screaming, that's my bitch. Ooh, you better, you better, you better.